It's January 8th. Today rained out most of the day, and it's still drizzling out right now. It rained out most of the day today, January 8th, but our sprinkler systems are running. I've been bitching for the past 4, 5, 6 months about how the sprinkler systems keep on coming on after a rain, and we don't need any extra water on our grounds. Our grounds are saturated as it is, and they still haven't fixed the sensors yet for our sprinkler pumps. So what the hell's going on? It's raining and the sprinklers are on. Like, we need more water. Anyway, that's all I got to say about that. Yo.